Welcome to the Skylounge talk again in Hyde Motorworks Mansion, I would say here. And
call it the Eschelbach Manor, but what the hell is
Eschelbach
Skylounge?
Manor, is it? Okay, and today we give you again some insights of Hyde Motorworks with Hyde himself and me, Fabian
Hey
Simon.
everyone.
This time I was in the warehouse again. I don't know, I always get lost there because there's so much stuff.
All this stuff coming, right? All
And
this stuff
I
coming.
found this picture here. We will fade it also in. And what is this? It's you. I know it's you. But what was your plan? What is this?
Okay, that is a Mercedes W124 engine. I think that was the OM35 something. It's a huge engine, weighs about 480 kilograms, I believe, if I remember right.
And you want to supercharge it?
That was the plan.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow, why? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep on.
So
I didn't expect that.
This was
Oh,
this was one of the projects that actually got shelved. So back in the day when I moved to Germany, some 4 or 5 now, how many years has it been? God knows, 4 years, something like this ago. My second visit now. So I came across this fellow with some collection of cars, and he loved these Unimos. He was a farmer gentleman, and his son,
they're
So-
somehow slow, but for real,
they're powerful.
you want to supercharge a truck?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So I asked him for the engine, and he said, "Okay, let's do a project together. Let's supercharge this." And we figured, okay, it's a big bloody engine. It's 480 kilograms, so that's close to 900 pounds or something like this. Humongous thing. It almost fell on me once. And so the engine got delivered, and figured, okay, let's put it in the garage. And when I get some time, I'll do some R&D and build something around it. I got around to actually building some brackets for it, but never really had the time to completely finish it off.
I know you're crazy, but I never thought that you were that crazy. It's so. Who
Yeah.
the fuck wants to supercharge a fucking truck?
Who the hell wants to go to the moon?
So you
Or
stopped
Mars?
Somehow you stopped the project.
Yeah,
So-
it doesn't have time, so it's been shelved. You'll probably find some wet prints about it somewhere around here, I guess.
We have some.
Yeah.
We have many white prints there, like 1,
Yeah,
2, 2,
we
3,
have
4,
to-
5, 6, 7.
We
Jesus Christ,
got a bunch of them, but for another
white-
time.
Original white prints from the past, right?
Or
Okay.
white prints from the past. I prefer to keep them around here. It's a
Yeah.
little decoration of what you have.
Okay.
The rest goes in the office. Well, yeah, that was the plan. And the second one will be to put 2 big root superchargers in there. Not one,
Okay.
2.
Just imagine, how much
Torque.
horsepower you will gain with that, or even some reason you must think about. Some guys want to buy this.
Yeah, they do.
They do. How much customers you guess you get with this?
So our target would have actually been the people more into farms and what you have, farms and such things. I don't know if you'll even have much of a value there. Just doing it for the sake of doing it, I suppose. I don't know. Just for the sake of doing it. Just do it.
Okay, if you sell such a kit for a truck, how much would it cost? If you
Well,
realize it, let's say you realize this crazy project, how much would it cost?
Well, if you want to market the kit, I would say rough estimate. I'd say 4 or 5 grand, 4 or 5,000 euros. You can have a kit.
It's pretty cheap.
It's an affordable rate. Of course, you can charge people more, but as long as you have a fair deal, you get your cut. People get a good price, decent product.
You know,
Everyone's happy.
I went to Agatha before this podcast or session here, and
You have to do a goddamn podcast with a guy. What do you call this
sure.
podcast?
I showed her this picture and she mentioned, oh yeah, it's an Unimog engine, and I was like, okay, I don't know whatever. He won't supercharge this thing. Never. He's crazy, but not this type of crazy.
So you didn't know?
No.
So this is from the warehouse, isn't it?
It is from the warehouse, and I didn't expect it that you will.
I got to the
Supercharge. No, nobody told me, and I was flashed on the scene. No, I was flashed. Didn't
Probably.
expect it that you.
That was the real intention. Supercharge it.
Yeah, this will be.
It had plenty of
What is your next project then? Supercharging.
Okay, actually,
farmer's truck or what?
no, actually, one of the things we want to do later on would have been move on to military vehicles, such things if we can. But that's just ideas personally for
Like Humvees and stuff like that.
maybe.
Okay.
Who knows?
Is it for real? For real?
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
But hey, these are ideas, and ideas make you have to try it.
Yeah.
Failure is the closest you'll come to
Sure,
success, and give it a try, see what happens, and just ideas. One of the things would actually have been this year I'm trying to do a project. Finally, after many years, Hyde is doing a project himself, and this will be the project Miss A. This will be actually a project dedicated to Agathe, a good friend of mine who is a shareholder in the company, who has helped me build up the company so much more in Germany, doing all those. And
You supercharge her.
no, I
Okay.
supercharge.
Jesus Christ.
No, I haven't moved on to supercharging humans yet. I haven't moved
Okay,
on to that
yeah,
yet,
okay.
but it's actually a Mercedes, one of the popular ones, M102, M103, and M104 engines, and I want to build a kit around it.
Oh yeah.
The other project I might do is Roadtrex based 4-cylinder kit, because what's happening is you have these SE40 superchargers I think I talked to you about a while ago. They're lesser and lesser and lesser, and finding good quality things and becoming difficult. We can't even source very good ones out of Japan anymore. You have some knockoffs from China and such things, people buy them, they don't run well, and we get a bad rep from such and such. So we always say, hey, buy it right from us, at least you have a warranty and such things. But in the end, we also want to give people the option to be able to use different superchargers. The V2 is a known product, the brackets are there. Whoever has, God knows how many people have bought that stuff and still using it, eventually they will want something more modern. My idea is to make an adapter bracket so they can use a Roadtrex supercharger with the existing V2s. That's a project I have in mind.
So upgrading.
Yeah.
Okay.
From very little,
My last question, to keep it short, is you're crazy. You want to supercharge a truck, and okay, you have different projects. Is your own car supercharged?
No, it's not.
Why not?
Oh no, they don't have the time for it.
Okay, yeah.
If you look at mechanics and people,
Sure, they
most
don't.
of them drive a crappy car. At least I don't.
Yes,
you know,
mechanics always drive the worst cars. We knew it because they repair everybody else's car, but not their own.
Look, man, I've had more cars and more BMWs in general than most people I know.
But you had a supercharged BMW.
I've had quite a few of them. I still have 2 BMWs in USA. I know where else I have a BMW. Maybe one left in New Zealand. I literally have no clue, nor could I care. What I drive right now is a little convertible, E88. Before that, I had another convertible. It was a Z1. There's a picture actually.
I saw it on the trains.
We might put this. We actually had some videos we wanted to publish many years ago. That was a supercharged project. That was the world's first Z1 with the M54 B30 engine, registered by BMW, the official one only, and that was owned by a friend of mine, and he still owns that car. And when I came to Germany, he just gave it to me for a few years. His name is Marcus, good friend of mine from Bavaria. And actually, that's another story for another time. Because of Marcus, I actually got to know Agathe through more and more communications and through contacts, what you have in the auto industry, how things go. But that's just another story. That is another story.
Great. So we finish it up again.
We'll be back one day.
And we will back one day or not.
Someday.
Who knows? But we won't stop here.
No.
Give some insights next time.
This is just the beginning. Next time, we need more guests.
His German. He is learning German.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tell us a little bit in German.
Okay, was sollst du gehört? Was musst du hören? What do you want to hear?
Do you like beer?
Vielleicht manchmal, wenn du gibst ein gutes Bier, wenn das eine schwarze Bier, ja. So eine schwarze Bier von mir ist okay, einfacher und besser. Und ich denke, mein Lieblingsbier vielleicht ist Hefeweizen, ja. Hefeweizen,
yes,
Kristall mag ich auch. Kristall ist auch gut. Die andere Ding ist, wenn du hast ein Kristall, mit Kristall gibt es ein Lemon, wie heißt es? Zitron, ja. Ein bisschen Zitrone,
yes.
Und das ist die Bauerbier. Oder
we
Deutschland gives 30,000 Bier.
Yes.
But that's another topic for another time.
It's another topic.
Let's go grab a
Talk
beer.
too much again.
All right.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.